Hello YouTube users, I will be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a platform game. So I have a movie clip here called Circle. I like circles, they're nice to work with, very simple, and I'll just drag it and bring it to the stage. I'll create a new layer, call it Actions. You don't have to call it Actions, you can call it whatever you want. Calling it Actions is just a standard method that most people use. And I'll call this layer Circle. I'm going to go to the Actions layer and go to Window, Actions. We're going to write some variables. Var, key that is pressed, and it's a positive integer. Var, right key is down, which is a boolean, and I'll set it to false right away. Var, left key is down, which is also a boolean, and I'll set it to false. We'll do the same for the up and down key. Now we'll add two event listeners to the stage for the keyboard. So let's type stage.addEventListener, open bracket, event.keyDown in caps, and the function will be press the key, then close bracket. I'm going to copy and paste that and change press a key to release a key. Now we write the press key function. So function press a key event colon keyboard event void, so it doesn't return anything. Now put some open and close curly brackets, and inside we'll have if event.keycode is equal to keyboard.write, then write key is down variable becomes true. Just copy and paste this set of lines 3 times. And change keyboard.right to keyboard.left, and change right key is down to left key is down. Do it for the up and down keys too. Now we'll write the release a key function. So function release a key event keyboard event void brackets if, you know what? I'll just copy and paste this. And everywhere it says true, we'll change to false. I'm going to collapse the actions panel for a moment. Click on my little circle and go to the properties panel and give it an instance name of circle_MC. Now we can go back into actions. We're gonna add an event listener to the circle. So type circle_MC dot add event listener event dot enter underscore frame in caps. And the function will be move circle. I'll change that to move the circle. Now time to write the function. So let's type function move the circle event colon event void open and close curly brackets. If right key is down, then circle_MC dot x plus equals 5. This can be anything you want. 5 just seems like a good number to me. I'll copy and paste this and change the plus to a minus, and change right key is down to left key is down. I'll test to see if it's working by pressing Ctrl plus Enter on the keyboard. And it seems to have an error. Line 33. Function does not have a body. I'll open up the actions panel and head over to line 33. I'll take out the semicolon here and I'll scroll up to line 11 where I have the keyboard event listeners, and I'll change where I have key underscore down to key underscore up. I'll test it again. Press the left key, it moves left. Press the right key, it moves right. Yay! Now we gotta make our circle jump. So I'll scroll up to the top where I have the variables, make some space here, and add some variables for jumping. Type var gravity. You need gravity if you're gonna get back on the floor, which is a number, and I'll set it equal to 1. Then var velocity y, which will be the y-axis velocity of the circle. It will be a number, and I'll set it to 0. Then a variable can jump, which will be a boolean, and it will tell whether the circle can jump or not. I'll set it to false. Now I'll scroll down to the move the circle function, and beneath the left key is down conditional statement. We'll type if up key is down and can jump, meaning if the up key is down and the circle can jump, because well, you can't jump if you're already in the air. If you can, please visit me, because I would love to know how you do it. Anyway, if so and so, then y velocity equals minus 15. And now can jump becomes false. Now I'm gonna go down and type y velocity plus equals gravity. So basically, the y velocity is increasing by gravity every frame. So the circle is gonna fall faster and faster. I'm gonna collapse the actions panel once again and select the rectangle tool.